All right, ladies and gentlemen, just some more work with word problems. Remembering we're still going to use those steps that we need to define our variables, which is to write a let statement. Then we're going to write an equation, solve an equation, and then make sure we answer the question. So Jonathan makes a weekly allowance of $25. He also makes $9.50 an hour at his job. How many hours would Jonathan have to work to have a total to earn a total of $215? So they're asking us to find how many hours. So that's going to help you with your let statement. So let X, if you want to use H, whatever, equal the number of hours. Right? So not as clear cut as the other ones where it's kind of, like just following the puzzle. So we know then that we want a total of 250. So we want all of his money to equal 215. We know he gets $25 plus whatever he makes from his job. And at his job, he makes $9.50 an hour. So that's $9.50 times the number of hours, 950x. So to now go through and solve this, so we have to subtract 25 from both sides. So that's going to give me 950x equals, hopefully 190. I hope I did that right. Now we have to divide both sides by 950. So, excuse me, X is going to equal 20 hours. All right, not so bad. Samuel's car service will charge a flat travel fee of $4.75 for anyone making a trip. They charge an additional, right, keyword there, additional set rate of $1.50 per mile. That is travel. What is the farthest that a passenger can travel if they have $13 to spend? So they're talking about miles, so I'm going to let X equal the number of miles. So again, we know we have a total of 13, so it has to equal 13. What am I paying with that 13? I'm paying the flat fee of $4.75 plus, additional, plus the $1.50 per mile that they're traveling. So do my subtraction. And these are really kind of going back and reviewing some stuff we did in 7th grade. We did these types of problems. 825 divide by $1.50. So X is 5.5 miles. Okay. Tamara has a cell phone plan that charges 7 cents per minute plus a monthly fee of $19. She budgets $29.50 per month. What is the maximum number of minutes? So here's my question, maximum number of minutes. So let X equal number of minutes. Okay, what's happening? Well, she has a total of $29.50 to spend. What is she spending it on? A fee of $19 plus 0.07 times the number of minutes. Subtract 19. 0.07x equals 1050. Divide by 0.07. When I'm dividing by a decimal, my answer should get bigger. So if that happens to you, don't think that you made a mistake. So I'm getting 150 minutes. Which for some of you is not a lot. Okay, number 4. Natalie wanted to buy a book that cost $25. She has $11 saved already and is going to earn the rest of the money by washing the dishes at home every day. She gets paid $2.50 per day for doing the dishes. She already has $11 saved and the book costs $25. So we're looking for the number of days. So there's my let statement. Let X equal the number of days. We're going to write my equation. So the book is $25. That's her total. She has 11 plus how much she's going to earn from doing the dishes. 250 times D. Subtract 11. So 250D equals 14. Divide by 250. So she has to do the dishes 5.6 days. But you can't really do the dishes on part of a day, So that means those two little lines mean approximately. So she's going to have to do the dishes 6 days to have enough money. All right, so sometimes depending on the situation that's being asked, you might need to go through and, you might need to go through and round your answer. So any questions, as always, you guys know to bring them to class, and have a good night.